Alright, this is Brittany. Say hi, Brittany. And that's her dog, Hoku. Say hi, Hoku. Hoku Nani. Say hi. And this is Keiki too. And we are filming the retarded dog. That's her again. Alright, go. Get the grape. Come on, Hoku. Don't look at me, look at the grape. Oh, that's sexy. Wow, she's doing nothing. There she goes. Good job. Now go a little higher. There she goes. Good job. Just gonna go for it. Sniff her tail. Now she's gonna go for the big grape. Analyzing, prepping the jump. Almost there. She gets it the second time. Last grape. Will she get it? Go ahead. She's analyzing the jump. Taking a breath and analyzing. That's what it's all about. And she's going for the first jump. And it was kind of weak. She prepped for the second jump. And the third jump. Almost there. Fourth jump. Oh my gosh. Yeah. She's a big winner. Yeah. Stop going, please. Lick her face. Yes. Kiss the winner. Yes, Hoku. You're the winner. Yeah. Yeah, you are. Yes, the winner. Yeah. Woo. Victory dance. Woo. Dance. Go, Hoku. Go. Cut you, bitch. Hoku, wiggle, wiggle. Hoku, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Hoku, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle it down. Wiggle, wiggle.